Maria, you look confused. What happened?
Wait, John. I think you mixed us up. I should say, John, you look confused. What happened?
Oh, right. Sorry. Yes, Maria, I'm having a problem with one English word.
Just one word?
Yes. I know what take means, but then I hear take off, take up, take on, and take over. Suddenly, I feel like I don't understand English anymore.
I see the problem. You're trying to memorize all those meanings.
So, what should I do?
Don't memorize them. Picture them.
Picture them.
Exactly. In today's lesson, I'll show you the simple idea behind these expressions, so you can understand them naturally instead of translating every word.
Okay, Maria. I'm ready.
Great. Let's unlock the secret of take together. First, let's look at take OFF. Imagine an airplane. It goes up and away from the ground. Or imagine taking OFF your shoes. You remove them. So, take OFF means removing something or leaving the ground.
Got it. Remove or leave. What about take up?
Imagine you have empty time. You fill it with a new hobby. Like painting or guitar. You take up painting. Or imagine a big sofa. It takes up a lot of space in the room. So, take up means starting a hobby or filling space at time.
Okay. Start or fill. Now, take on?
Imagine someone offers you a heavy bag. You accept it. You take on the weight. In life, we take on responsibilities or challenges. She took on a new boss role. It means accepting a burden or job.
Accept responsibility. And finally, take over.
Imagine driving a car. Someone else was driving, but now you grab the wheel. You take over control. Or a company buys another company. They take over the business. It means gaining control.
Wow. So, take off equals remove, leave. Take up equals start, fill. Take on equals accept. Take over equals control.
Perfect. Let's test this. Sentence 1. The plane will underscore at 8 p.m.
Leave the ground. So, the plane will take OFF at 8 p.m.
Correct. Sentence 2. I want to underscore yoga.
Start a hobby. So, I want to take up yoga.
Excellent. Sentence 3. Can you underscore this project?
Accept responsibility. So, can you take on this project?
Right. Sentence 4. Who will underscore the meeting while I'm away?
Control, lead. So, who will take over the meeting?
Amazing. Let's try a natural conversation. John, did you take up any new hobbies lately?
Yes,